What's so cool about manufacturing? Manufacturing is responsible for the products we use in everyday life. Manufacturing can be a career for anyone interested in learning more about it.
My name's Charlie Stump. I do mostly machining and design work for the molds that produce our parts here. Manufacturing is so broad that depending on the skill sets, it could be anything from a laboring position to technical analysis to design work. There's something that pretty much fits anybody's skill level.
My name is Trent Kokovalis, and I run a CNC lathe for our concepts department. Anybody can fill the shoes in any role. Just takes a good work ethic and attitude. Warehouse work to milling and machining.
So many different jobs in manufacturing, from the customer service people that answer the telephones and take the orders, the warehouse people that are picking and shipping the orders, to the actual people that work in manufacturing that are actually making the products. These jobs, they just require a high school diploma, and you can do all the training on the job here. Other jobs require some technical training. We do make seals from recyclable materials as far as the plastics are concerned. See, transform from just raw material to a completely finished product.
There's many ways you can approach a problem, you know what I mean? I might see something that somebody else might not, and then they might see something that I might not.
It makes the world work. It makes the world revolve, you know, everything that's in everything, and everything that you play with or eat or is all manufacturing.